Hey guys, welcome to another Warhead using blocks tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about the list block. The list block is used to create custom lists of items or links. The list block is useful when you want to create things like bulleted text lists or custom link lists that link to pages on or off your website. The list block we're going to be adding today is going to go inside our footer, next to the social icons here. So all we need to do is select the sector that we're going to put our list block in, just like that. Then we click Add Block and scroll down until we see the list block in the blocks list. There we go. These are the list block settings. The Use Button setting allows you to use a custom button that when toggled will display your list in a drop-down menu. If you select Yes, it displays the button text setting, where you can put an icon or custom text like menu. We're going to leave that to No for now. The list type sets the direction in which the list displays, either vertically or horizontally. The heading type sets the type of heading that we're going to use for our list. Right now it's set to None, but for our list we're going to use an H4. Alright, just like that. And then we want some heading text to display in our list. Something like information. Next, we're going to set our list items. List items are the actual text that displays within the list or within the link in the list. Click Add List Item, set your text, something like About Us, and optionally you can link to a page on your website. That will link us to the About Us page. Now the Open in a New Window setting allows the link to open either in a new window or not. Now we don't want our link to open in a new window, we want people to stay on the website, so we're going to select No. Then once you have all your list items added, you go ahead and click Save. And there it is. To modify a list item, you just select it again. Alright, then add your block. And as you can see, our list has been added. We want the list to display before the social icons though, so we're going to drag it into the order in which we want it to display within the sector. Just like that. Alright. Now we have our list displayed exactly where we want it. Now, let's say we want to add another list next to it with additional links and navigation to other pages on the website. One of the great things about Warhead is it allows you to copy blocks. So we're going to click this icon right here to copy the list block. And as you can see, another list block showed up right underneath the block we already had. There we go. We've got two lists. Then, all you need to do to make things easy is modify the list that you copied. Instead of About Us, we can change it to something like My Account. Just like that. And link to the My Account page. We still don't want the link to open in a new window, so we'll set that the same. Then save, and there we go. Now we have two custom link lists. Now all we need to do is finish adding our list items for each list and style the lists exactly how you want though. Okay, now we've added the rest of our list items, links to additional pages in the information section, and links to manage your account, track orders, things like that in the My Account section. And we've styled our lists exactly how we want them to appear so that they match our theme nicely. There you have it. You've just seen how easy it is to add custom lists to your website using the list block. Stay tuned for future tutorials where we show you how to use more blocks in Warhead. Thanks for watching.